Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you 2 ways to make your OnePlus 11 louder. So the first one is by opening the settings, then go to the sound and vibration and slide down to the Dolby Atmos. Now choose the movie, and this is the loudest equalizer in this phone. Just keep it selected and that's it. But if that way is not enough for you, you can always try to download this app. Just look for this name in the Google Play Store and install it. Now just click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Then tap OK, and now you can increase the volume booster power by this little slider. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.